Welcome back to video classes. We are discussing the arithmetic progressions. Here, so far I explained the conceptual concept about arithmetic progressions and conceptual problems, and the main important thing is general form or standard form. General form or also called as standard form. This is very important. First term a, second term a plus d, a plus 1d, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d, t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. This is very important, very important. Coming to the next point, and I already explained the conceptual problems. Coming to the next point, general term, just general term or nth term, very important formula. What is the nth term formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. General term or nth term. So these are very important. This is general form. This is general term. This is standard form. General form or standard form. General term or nth term. These are very important. First term, separate formula a. Second term a plus d. Third term a plus 2d. Fourth term a plus 3d. Fifth term a plus 4d. Sixth term a plus 5d. Seventh term a plus 6d. These are separate formulas. This is nth term formula. From this we got this formula. Nth term formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, in the last video, in the sense that is synthetic method division, that is not belong to this chapter. And in the last video of the AP, I explained find the 10th term of the AP. 10th term of the AP. Find the 10th term. Actually, directly also we can do. I will explain. Otherwise, formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 10th term t plus t10. By using nth term formula, I am explaining by using nth term t10. 10th term, no, that's why t10. A plus a for in this AP 2, 7, 12 is the given AP. In this a is equal to 2, d is equal to, already it is given, it is in AP. That's why d is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now t10, 10th term a for 2 plus n for nth term, 10th term. That's why 10 minus 1 into d for 5. That implies t10 is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5. 9 into 5. That implies t10 is equal to 2 plus 9 5s are 45. That implies t10 is equal to 47. Already explained the last video of the AP. So how to find the 10th term by using nth term formula. The same I applied by using this formula. Suppose the same question we can do directly. Find the 10th term. 10th term formula. First term, second term, third term, fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d, 10th term a plus 9d. That's why 10th term is equal to 10th term is equal to a plus 9d. A for 2, 9 only, d for 5. So 2 plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 47. You can do like this also. Understand? So these concepts I explained. Just I revised these concepts. So today I am going to I explain the sums based on nth term only. Sums based on this formula, general term formula only. Okay. One sum. Find the 11th term from the end. This from the end is very important. From the end. If from the end is not there in this sum, find the 11th term of the AP. So you can do like previous sum. So in that case, a is equal to 8. In that case, a is equal to 8. D is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Actually. So Tn formula, a plus n minus 1 into d we can do. If from the end is not there, but the sum is somewhat different. Once again I am reading here actually A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2 if from the end is not there. So in this question, find the 11th term from the end, from the end of the AP, from the end of the AP. This is very, very important. From the end of the AP, from the end of the AP. End of the AP means we have to start from back. The AP is 126, comma, and 12, 10, 8. 126, so on, 12, 10, 8. This is the AP. Actually, I have rewritten in this way: 126, 12, 10, 8. In this, now I am finding 11th term from the end. That is nothing but T11 from the end. 11th term from the end. T11. This is nothing but 11th term from the end. From the end is equal to, so I will write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is T11. This is nothing but 11th term from the end. So A is equal to 126. In this case, A is equal to 8. If it is from the end is not there. That's why here A is equal to 126. This one you forget about this one. A is equal to 126. What about D? D will be this term minus this term. This term we don't know. This term minus this term. T1. T2 minus T1. That's why what I am doing, I am taking 8 minus 10. This is also correct, no? 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. If you want, you can check 10 minus 2 also. 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12. This is also minus 2. Now, A is equal to 126. D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. Now, substitute those values. This is very, very important model. Why? Because in this from the end is there. From the end is there. That's what rewrite. And from 126, so on, 12, 10, 8. From reverse you write. And here, A for 126 plus N for, N is nothing but 11th term, no? 11 minus 1 for 1 only. D for minus 2. So, this is equal to 126 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into minus 2. That is equal to 126 plus 10 into 2 minus 20. 10 2s are 20. So, 126 minus 20. 126 minus 20. 6 minus 20 is equal to 106. So the answer is 11th term from the end. 11th term from the end is equal to 106 from the end. In the sense 126 like that, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th term is 106 from the end. 126, next one more term, next one more term, like that. 11th term is 106. 11th term is 106. The very, very important point, without reverse that AP, we can also do this sum by using another formula that we'll discuss afterwards. Now, but you practice this one also. So, actually, if the from the end is not there also, we are using this formula. If from the end is there also, we are using this formula. But even then, if the from the end is there, carefully you check, reverse the AP and use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. Okay? Okay, one more sum. From the end model, from the end, not direct, from the end of the AP. Find the 20th term from the end of the AP, 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. Here, just reverse it, because from the end is there, no? 253, so on, 13, 8, 3. 13, 8, 3. The first one is 253. 253. 253. 253. 13, 8, 3. 13, 8, 3. Suppose here from the end, no, that's what reverse it, because they have given. If they are not given from the end, directly you can do. Here A is equal to 253. A is equal to 253. D is equal to, carefully you do D. Why? Because this term minus this term, here there is no term. That's why there is no term in the sense here. Inside it is there, that's why we can unable to count. That's why better you take 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Next, otherwise 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. Minus 5. 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 also minus 5. Finally, A is equal to 253. D is equal to minus 5. By using this, we can find a 20th term from the end. 20th term from the end. Just I am writing 220 instead of T20. Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D. A for 253 plus n for n 20, no, that's right, 20 minus 1 into D for minus 5, that is equal to 253 plus this is 90 into minus 5, that is equal to 253 plus 19 5s, 19 into 5, 95, this is minus 95, minus 95, plus of minus minus, 253 minus 95, 253 minus 95 is equal to 158, 158, this is the answer. 20th term from the end, 20th term from the end, from the end 20th term is 253, and next one more term, this is first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, like the 20th term is 158. This is the answer. Very very important model. Direct sums we did in the last video, and today also I explained one sum. This is direct from the end model. This is also very very important. As I said, we are having direct formula without reverse it. We will discuss later that concept and that formula. Now this formula is very very important. This concept is very very important. Here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T is very very important. So one more model, which term of the AP is, that AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78, very very important. Which term of the AP, which term in the sense the term number, what is the 78 is which term, 78 is which term. So this is a 3 is first term, 3 is first term, 3 is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like that. This 78 is which term, this 78 is which term, this is first term, this is second, third, fourth, in the sense which term, in the sense the meaning is the term number. This term number is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we don't know. So which the term number in the sense that is nothing but n we have to find. The term number, which term. So here we are using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The very very important model, which term in the sense we have to find the term number. The term number is nothing but n. In this, AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on 78. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is 15 or 14 term or 17 or 16. We don't know. That's why which term is equal to the term number that is equal to that is nothing but n. This is very important model. Which term that is nothing but the term number. The term number is nothing but n. Here also we are using the same formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this first term a is equal to 3. Same formula. First term a is equal to 3. D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. So I got D. Here we have to find in this how many variables are there? First variable, second variable, third variable, fourth variable. 4 variables are there. In the previous sums, we know A, we know D, we know N, and we find Tn, nth term, 10th term or 11th term or 12th term. But here, somewhat different, we know Tn. Where is Tn? This is Tn, nth term, nth term. That's why Tn is equal to 78. So substitute those values in that equation in this formula. This is nth term formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 78 is equal to a for 3 plus n for unknown, n minus 1 for 1 only, d for 5. That implies 78 is equal to 3 plus, here distributive property, n into 5, 5n, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Simply 78 is equal to 3 plus, solve this, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 is nothing but 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. Leave it. First you write positive term, 5n, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. That implies 78 is equal to, so here I will do 78 minus 2 will be transposed from RHS to LHS. This will be plus 2 is equal to 5n. So here 80 is equal to 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. That is nothing but 5n is equal to 80. That is nothing but n is equal to 80 by 5. That is nothing but n is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term is 78. 16th term. First term, second term, third term. The first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18, fifth term is something, and the 16th term. Therefore, 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. Very important model. Okay. So one more sum. Which term of the AP? This AP is 21, 18, 15. What is this AP? 21, 18, 15 and 0. 0 is nothing but I have written number 0. This is first term. This is first term is 21. Second term is 18. Third term is 15. And fourth term is something. And what is the which term? This 0 is which term? 0 is which term? Which term in the sense? The term number. The term number. N. N we have to find. What is the formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. In this, a is equal to 21. A is equal to 21. And d is equal to 18 minus 21. 18 minus 21. 18 minus 21 is nothing but minus 3. If you want, you can take 15 minus 18 also minus 3. Substitutes, and one more important, this is Tn. 0 is nothing but Tn is equal to 0. Tn is equal to 0. First term, second term, third term, we don't know. That's why nth term. Nth term, that is nothing but Tn is equal to 0. Substitute those values in this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term formula Tn 0 is equal to a for 21 plus n for n only minus 1 d for minus 3. That implies 0 is equal to 21 plus just you multiply n minus 1 into 3. Carefully do n minus 1 into 3. What is this multiplication? N minus 1 into 3. N minus 1 into minus 3. You may get confused. Otherwise, you write minus 3 into n minus 1. You multiply minus 3 into n minus 3n. Minus 3 into n minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 3 into n minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Very, very important. So, I'll write here in brackets minus 3n plus 3. Just remove the brackets. 0 is equal to 21. Plus symbol only, no plus or minus 3n only. So as it is, you can break minus 3n plus 3. That implies 0 is equal to 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3 minus 3n. Minus 3n. 21 plus 3 minus 3n. That implies 0 is equal to 21 plus 3 24 minus 3n. 24 minus 3n. Now here just once again I'll write 0. That implies 24 minus 3n is equal to 0. 24 both are correct, no? 24, that is nothing but 24 is equal to 3n. That is nothing but 3n is equal to 24. That is nothing but n is equal to 24 by 3. That is nothing but n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Therefore, this 0 is 8th term. 8th term. First term 21, second term 18, third term 15, fourth term something. This 0 is 8th term. Therefore, 8th term is 0. 8th term is 0. 8th term is 0. Okay. So now this is the time for assignment. So here I explained completely the formula based on Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. General term. So here total 6 sums are given. The 4 sums based on end of the model. Here also Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. These 2 sums which term in the sense we have to find n. That for that also we are using Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d formula. Carefully you solve these 2 sums, these 6 sums and send to your class teacher. Thank you very much.